Hi, so you should have read in your reader. Your reader looks like this little book right here. Show you this little book. It looks very similar to all your books, but it's the smaller little book. So you should have read in your reader the pages that we did together. Or you should have read, sorry, in your instructions, it said read chapter 3. So you should have read chapter 3. Then you should be on page 27 of your activity book, which is the bigger book that you write in. And there's 4 questions about vertebrates and invertebrates. So I would like you to read chapter 3 and then answer these questions before you watch this video. If you've already done it, then you are ready to watch this video. So I just wanted to help you out with this page right here. This is page 28, and it's a graphic organizer to help us fill out this chart. And so I just wanted to be able to help you fill this out. As you see in this chart, there is 4 sections of what you're going to fill out. And so we're actually going to start at the bottom of that section. And so, let's see. It's a little confused about what we're filling out together. Okay, so we're going to fill out this chart on page 25, or 28, sorry, page 28. And it says, fill the chart with the following words: vertebrates, invertebrates, living things, and animals. So these are the 4 words that we're going to use to fill out this chart. So we need to think about what all things that are living are. And so we're going to start at the very top with living things. So we're basically, this chart's organizing living things and how they're grouped together. And so living things is the main section that we're talking about. And then specifically in living things, we're talking about animals in this unit. So in the second section, you'll write animals. Of course, living things can be plants, they can be microorganisms, insects, but we're focused on animals and living things. So in animals and living things, there's 2 main sections. There's vertebrates, which from your reading, you should have understood that vertebrates are living things with a backbone. And then the other one is invertebrates. Just ignore this little red line that's showing up right there. That little red line just kind of helps me know where to put the camera, so just ignore it. But on your page, on page 28, you should have living things, because we're focused on the living things. Then we're specifically focused on animals and living things. And today's chapter explained how animals can be broken up into 2 main groups, either vertebrates with a backbone or invertebrates without. Invertebrates with a backbone, you should have read that includes mammals like people and horses and dogs and cats and those things. It also includes fish and birds and other types of animals. Invertebrates includes anything that doesn't have that spine. So insects, bugs, lobsters, anything like that has either a hard shell on the outside or has some type of something that keeps it together. So like an earthworm has like a soft outer casing that keeps it together. There's no bones inside the earthworm. And so it's an invertebrate. So we're going to learn more about that as we keep reading about animal classifications. But for page 28, you should have listed living things as the main group. specifically animals, and then we're going to classify those into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Let me know when we do the live if you have any questions. Good luck with this page.